I guess moved in May 1st of this year. So not too long, maybe a little over a month now.
I would say that the staff is very like to give you good information on what's going on, keep you up to date with your email. Basically, if you need anything, you can walk right in when they're open and basically ask for whatever they need, whatever you need. And
very friendly,
very
top-rate customer service.
Yeah.
The community aspect of it, the idea that you actually try to engage with your residents, and I mean, it's absolutely gorgeous, so why not?
Oh, yeah.
If you're not sold on the community aspect and the gorgeous facilities, then you will be sold on the idea that this is more like a neighborhood versus a complex. And even if that doesn't get you, I just think living in a space like this, again, the visuals along with the different ways that staff and I guess the company engages and interacts with their residents, it makes it more than just living in an apartment.